G'day, I'm Aussie Mark. Thank you so much for stopping by my video. To all my subscribers, I want to wish you a fantastic 2018 as my first opportunity to say that on a video, and I hope your new year went well and that you can look forward to some great experiences with your drones in 2018. And if you don't have a drone, or if you'd like another one to add to your collection, I'm giving away two today. Two foldable camera drones. The first one I'm giving away is the Goul RC Goul T47. That's a foldable camera drone, and I hope that you enjoy that if you get the opportunity to win it. And the other one I'm giving away is this one, and that's the 19HW. Now, I've got a review of both of them on my channel, of course, and I'm putting both of them in the description as links, as well as in the cards up above my head. Now, if you'd like to win either of those drones, I'll show you them again. There they are. That's the T47 or the 19HW. All you have to do is be a subscriber to the channel, of course, it goes without saying. Like this video and leave a comment down below. I'll be using a random comment selector to pick both of these winners, and so two different people from anywhere in the world will be getting those drones from me. I hope that you enjoy that experience with them, and that you can get to put up a video with them perhaps. However, that's not obligatory. I'll be selecting the winner 2 weeks from the date that I upload this video, and so I look forward to being able to announce on my channel. Now, I want to let you know too, I'm not going to be chasing you guys. If you want to be considered for the draw to win either of these drones, please keep checking on my channel. Keep following my videos. I will give 10 days notice from the day that I announce the winners. If I haven't heard from you in 10 days, then I will be redrawing. I think that's only fair. So watch out for when I announce the winner. Remember, it's 2 weeks from the date of upload that I'll be announcing the winner, and then you have 10 days to get in touch with me with your details on how I can send you these drones anywhere in the world. Okay, that's all for today. You take care for now. Have a great day and a great 2018. Take care. Bye for now.